we have average dollar per conversion of $35.95. Up next, we have paid online writing jobs. Oh, this is a big one. A lot of people go for this. But I don't know. I really wonder if these things actually help other people out, or they just like making money. Paid online writing jobs get paid to do simple writing jobs online. So this is a gravity score of 129.60. Initial dollar per conversion is $5.87. Reoccurring dollar per rebel is $34.36. Killer $1 trials with huge rebels. And basically we have huge demand for make money doing writing jobs, dedicated affiliate manager bonuses, commission bumps, custom landing pages, geo-targeting. We will help you make commission. So that's sitting at about average of dollar per conversion of $99.1. And our features include upsell flow, one-time reoccurring, and $1 trial. And this does include affiliate tools. So going on to the next one. So the next one seems to be like another get rich quick scheme thing, but let's look into it a bit more. So I think the whole premise here is that they're trying to get jobs, but there is like a small deposit that they need to pay. But let's just quickly read this. So we have our title here reading Click World System 2021 Biz Op offer $1.95 EPC for cold traffic. Our stats include gravity score of 83.97, not too high. We typically go for the ones at 250, maybe 500. This is only available in English. Our description reads top converting offer that converts personal development, IM, MMO, health traffic like nuts. Make up to $250 per sale, $9 trip wire front end of, or rather $9 tripwire front end for massive commissions. Offer created by a platinum 7-figure affiliate. Test 300 to 500 clicks and be surprised. So I guess that's what they have in their description. Let's go ahead and check out the conversion ratio, which is an average dollar per conversion of $17.19. And our features include upsell flow, one-time payment, reoccurring payments, affiliate tools are available, and of course, the website is mobile friendly. Moving on, we have a presenter. Looking at this, it seems like the few words I can read here is Pixar animation, VSLs, Marvel Hollywood funnel, and a genius, Adil Chowdhury. So the features here include upsell flow, one-time payment,